Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Look at my beautiful countertops. They didn't always look this pretty. They were stained, ugly, and outdated. But this beautiful marble peel and stick contact paper from Very Berry Sticker covered up those nasty countertops and gave me countertops that are not only beautiful, but also durable and waterproof. So I've never used contact paper and I am not in the slightest a professional at it, but even with my inexperience, this contact paper went on pretty easily. And what I liked about it is that if I messed up, it was removable. I could simply pull it back and adjust it. It came in a large roll and you simply prep the area, lay your contact paper, shape it with a utility knife, and you're ready to stick it to your surface. I really liked that this adhesive paper was easy to detach from the contact paper and I wasn't constantly ripping it. This paper comes in several different designs and several different sizes, so it's good for any project that you have around your house that just needs a little more pizzazz. You could use it on walls or cabinets. Because it's waterproof, it's great in kitchens and bathrooms. There's so many different uses for them. I'm excited to see what other creative ideas I can come up with. So if you're looking for a way to upgrade your countertops without the expense of buying new ones, then I highly recommend this peel and stick contact paper from Very Berry Sticker.
And that's my point of view.